welcome back to my channel. So in this video I would like to take you through how you can generate bill reference numbers for your payments, especially for taxpayers in Lagos State, Nigeria. So you want to pay taxes to the Lagos State government. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can get to do that. All right, so I'm going to drop the link to this website in the video description, or you can also get to type it in yourself, etax.lrs.net/login. So I'm going to drop it in the video description. So once you load this page, make sure you click on taxpayer. Then just come here and type in your payer ID. Type in your payer ID, make sure that it's correct. So once you're done typing, just click on login. So once you log in, if you've actually confirmed all of these details, it will definitely not ask you. But for this particular taxpayer, the company is yet to actually verify their CAC details. So if you have it right now, you can type it in and put in your details and click on validate. So you can do that right now as you're watching the video. But if you don't have it, you can just click on cancel for you to continue. So and you will have this. So just come here, you're going to see payment. So you can see payment here. So just click on generate/pay bill. Also you have your payment history here. Also you have make payment. So this is actually for if you already have bill references. So just click on generate/pay bill. So now this is what you're going to have, generate/pay bill. So you see here, generate a new bill. So your taxpayer number will be here. So you have this, your employee type. Are you actually making payments for locals or expatriates, or your employees, are they local? Local means that they are Nigerians, or are they expatriates, foreigners? So you're selecting local. So now which agency you are paying to? So if you have a tax office assigned to you, so let's just say maybe you are making payment to Ikeja tax office. So just select, type Ikeja and look for the tax office, select. So and also if you are paying directly to the Lagos State Internal Revenue Service, their head office, so you can also just type in revenue. So you have it pop up here, Lagos State Internal Revenue Service. So just click there and then select your revenue type. So what are you making payment for? So in this case, the taxpayer actually wants to make payment for food. So type in food. So and select the drop down menu. So you are paying in naira, so there's no need for you to change the currency. So just leave it as it is. So now select the date. So you're actually making payment for February. The taxpayer wants to make payment for February, so select February. And also for the end date, select February. So now type in the amount that you're making payment for. So you already typed the amount that you want to pay. So just put in any remark that you want to put there. But I'm going to put food. So you're making payment for food, February 2026. So and just click on generate. So once you click on generate, you are going to have this. It's going to show the agency, the revenue type, the pay ID you confirm, and your employee type is local, and also the date for which the payment applies, and that is February, and also the amount you're making payment. So you're going to click on proceed once you've confirmed all of these details. So just click on proceed. So you're going to have this. So you're going to have this bill reference number generated for you. So just copy the bill reference. So once you've copied, then you can go and make payments with it, or better still, you click on download bills. So once you click on download bills, it automatically downloads into your folder. Automatically downloads for you, just as you have. So you can also click on pay now if you want to actually pay now online. But also you can just download and take it to the bank for payment. So if you have another bill that you want to generate, so just click on generate another bill. So I'm generating another bill. So it's going to bring me back to where I was before. So I'm going to select agency again. So this time around, I'm paying for drinks. So now select the date. The date is actually February, still the February, and how much are you making payment for your drinks? So you're paying that amount. So type in the remarks. So you can just type in your drinks of February. It's not compulsory, but it's also good for your own reference purpose. So drinks February 2026. So click on generate. So Once you click on generate, you have the same thing also. You confirm the details that are here, that is actually what you want to do. So, and then you click on proceed. Click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, then you can also, the same way you did, just copy your bill reference number and take it to the bank, or you can click on download bill, or you can click on pay now, download the bills, take it to the bank. That is just the easy way in which you can get to generate a bill. So if you want to generate a bill for your pay as you earn, that will be in another video, but this is for other bills aside pay as you earn, the payee. So click on downloads, and then so this is the end of this video. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for much interesting and educative videos. Until next time, bye for now.